Interesting. Dude, let's go look for something to do in Old Man Squidward's shed. What's that?
The lawnmower.
What is it?
A crownie.
Is this a trowel?
Yes, Patrick.
Oh, here it is. No, 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 no! My leg! I hate you, boys. Yeah. I'm gonna
Do an internet.
We're mermaids.
We're ghosts. We're going to haunt you forever.
What happened to your leg?
Maybe the weird hairless man will change us back.
Living without a soul.
Man who wears a bra.
This chewing gum is my best friend.
Would you care for a pastry?
I'll go play with it right now. Come on, Robo.
Oh, majestic, although I am not worthy to be in your presence.
Sparta! What are you doing?
I'm shush. These penises on the loose.
Don't you talk back to me! So, I spent it on a gift for me best pal, Plankton. The customer, fuck the world! Give me that! Stop! Fuck! I'm terribly sorry, Eugene. I couldn't hear you. Stand on the tile. Which one? Oh, either one will do. You're the one who put too much sauce. My life has been nothing but a long line of
Disappointment.
Ho, ho, ho!